My channel is Living Life Barefoot. I should probably do a barefoot video. I'm barefoot. Now this channel isn't one of those foot fetish channels or feet pics type of thing. Definitely not what it's about. So if you're here for that, you're on the wrong channel. Grounding is a huge thing. It has a lot of benefits, relieving pain, keeping you calm, helping with stress, anxiety, arthritis, giving you energy. Hi, Bear. You want to be in the video? So we as humans are very electrical beings. And for a lot of us, you know, we are trapped indoors all day long, just being bombarded with so many electronics for so long that we really need to get outside and discharge that. So when you are barefoot on the ground, grounding, earthing, whatever you want to call it, you actually discharge into the earth and you get yourself back in balance or back grounded. They say the best places to ground is in the dirt, in the grass, or in sand. You can even ground by, you know, having your feet on the earth and your hands in the dirt if you're working up your garden. All those things are so soothing and calming. And even if you have a hard time standing or walking, you can even grab a chair, bring it outside, and still get your bare feet on the ground, even for just 5 minutes. So for me, I have a hard time keeping shoes on. I always have. When I wore big heels, when I wore thick soles, tennis shoes, even flip-flops, even when I'm wearing my barefoot shoes, I have a hard time keeping them on. I just feel more comfortable and more natural not having any shoes on. I walk barefoot everywhere. I could literally walk down this driveway, gravel driveway, and have no problem. I have the toughest feet ever, I think, and probably the dirtiest feet ever if you ask my husband. I was even walking in snow the other day and my boys came out with me. Well, I told them they had to come out and do it and they were just not having it. They thought it was so hard. A really good time to ground is when the grass is wet. So maybe first thing in the morning when there's dew on the grass and the sun is coming up, that would be the most perfect time to get out and get your bare feet on the ground. And for me, before I even found out about all the benefits of being grounded or earthing or being barefoot, I could just feel it. I just felt better barefoot. I wanted to be barefoot. My body felt better. I felt more natural, and it was just the way that I wanted to be. And so it's pretty awesome to know that I felt that energy, I felt that goodness and that happiness being barefoot before I even found out that I am benefiting myself so much by being barefoot. It has rained here quite a bit the last few days, and so of course I'm gonna go barefoot. Just roll up my pants and just walk barefoot. It's that easy. But for some of you, if maybe because of the weather you can't get out, maybe it's just too cold for you and it's just not an option, you don't have anywhere to ground, I want to take you to a place and share with you another way that you can get grounded. Okay, Gavin is taking us to the very special place.
Yeah.
And we're getting a little driver's ed in. We drive around the country all the time. It's a good experience. And Lola has came with us too. So, any guesses before we get there where I'm taking you? Okay, so we are right here. It's right in front of me, but before I turn around the camera and show you guys, I used to drive past this every day when I worked away from home, and just the beauty of it made me so happy and just made me feel calm. And in any season, it is just the coolest. Any time of the day, any time of the night. I have so many different pictures with so many different backgrounds of the sky. Have I gave it away yet? This is my favorite tree.
Yeah.
I absolutely love this tree, and it just makes me so happy. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys today, and we're gonna tell you another way that you can ground with a tree. It is so crazy how small the tree looks in the camera versus in reality. Fortunately today the background is kind of gloomy and dark and hazy, but this tree still looks beautiful.
It does.
The coolest tree ever. Okay, another way that you can get grounded is by touching a tree, or even just leaning up against a tree for a little bit. You can even hug it if you want.
Tree hugger.
Tree hugger. This tree is the best tree ever.
It's so big. Like, the camera does not do it justice at all.
So touching a tree can help with your physical and mental well-being. It has said to be able to help with stress, to make you happy, help boost your immune system, helps give you feelings of happiness. It helps recovery after maybe being ill, helps lower blood pressure. I think it's just amazing. It just looking at the tree actually does all those things for me. Okay, so we're gonna say goodbye to my favorite tree. Comment below if you enjoy going barefoot or enjoy grounding or earthing, and your most favorite way to do it. Also, if you have a favorite tree, I would love to see it. I don't think you can comment pictures down below, but please send me a picture of your favorite tree, whether that is email, and that's barefootmicrogreens@gmail.com, or go follow us on Instagram at barefootmicrogreens and direct message me and send me a picture of your favorite tree. I would love to see it. Stick around to the end of this video, and I'm going to share with you several pictures that I've taken of this tree right here in different seasons and different times of the day. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you get out and get barefooted. And stay tuned to the next video.
And make sure to like and subscribe to our videos.
Peace.
Stay grounded.